Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the Chromebook. Plug it in or confirm battery is at least 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, sign in with the owner account and close open documents so updates can install cleanly. Open Settings, then About Chrome OS to view the current version. This is where updates are checked. Make sure sync is enabled if you want settings restored after any update-related restart, then click Check for updates to begin. After you click Check for updates, the Chromebook will download the update. Let it finish without interruption. Once the download completes, the system prompts to restart to apply changes. Do that immediately. While installing, the device will reboot and show progress. This can take several minutes depending on update size. If prompted for additional steps like signing back in or running a quick setup, follow them. Make sure the charger stays connected until the update finishes and the desktop returns. When the Chromebook restarts, verify the update by opening Settings and About Chrome OS again. You should see the new version number. If apps act up, make sure Play Store and web apps are updated and try clearing the browser cache or rebooting. If the device fails to boot or the update broke functionality, create a recovery USB on another computer and perform Chrome OS recovery. This restores factory firmware, but requires your Google sign-in afterwards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.